5 OMM large aperture benchtop colorimeter operation video. 1. Power on. Connect to power supply. Press the power button to turn on the device. 2. Calibration. Click Calibrate. Black calibration. Remove the black cavity and align the sides with screws towards the test port. Click Calibrate on the screen to perform black calibration. White calibration. Remove the white calibration tile and align it with the test port. Click Start Calibration to perform white calibration. 3. Measurement. How to measure color values and color differences. Click Measure. Pour the sample into a transparent cuvette until it reaches 3/4 height. Place the cuvette with the sample onto the test port. Reference measurement on the reference measurement interface. Click the measurement button in the lower right corner of the screen, or press the measurement button on the right side of the instrument to obtain color values. Sample measurement. Click Sample Measurement. Pour the second sample into the cuvette and place it in the test port for measurement. Obtain the color difference value and color deviation. How to measure other parameters, such as whiteness, yellowness. Tap Settings on the main interface, then Measurement Settings, then Measurement Parameters. Use the page turn function to find the parameter you want to measure. Select it and confirm here. Demonstrating measuring R457 whiteness. Return to the main interface. Click Measure to directly measure the whiteness under the R457. Reference measurement section of the measurement interface. To measure the difference, tap Sample Measurement to compare the difference between two samples. 4. Settings. Settings are divided into measurement settings and system settings, light sources and angle settings. Over 30 light sources available, with options for 2° and 10° angles. Tolerance settings. The default tolerance is 2.0. If the color difference is less than 2.0, it shows pass. If the color difference is greater than 2.0, it shows fail. If the user requires higher color difference accuracy, decrease the tolerance value. If the user requires lower accuracy, increase the tolerance value. Measurement mode settings, not configurable. This instrument uses SCI, a reflectance to UV for OO cutoff measurement modes. Measurement parameter settings, choose from over 30 measurement parameters. Color difference formula, choose from 5 color difference formulas. Calibration valid time. Set the calibration validity period. A prompt will appear if this time is exceeded. Average measurement settings. When the sample is not uniform enough, set the instrument to measure multiple times and take the average value up to 10 times maximum. Data saving settings. Optional manual or automatic saving. Backlight settings. Set the screen backlight duration. Time settings. Configure the instrument's time. Language settings. Choose between Chinese and English. About the instrument. View model number, serial number, and software hardware version. Restore factory settings, erase all data, and reset to original factory state. 5. Data. On the data interface, you can view historically saved measurement data. Select a data entry and click the 3-line icon to view sample details. Set as reference for color difference measurement, rename the record, delete the data. 6. Connect computer to operate. Insert one end of the USB into the computer. Insert the other end into the instrument. Black calibration. Place the black cavity into the test port. Then click Black calibration at the top of the software to perform the black calibration operation. White calibration. Place the white tile into the test port. Then click White calibration at the top of the software to perform the white calibration operation. Standard sample measurement. Place the sample into the instrument's test port. Then click Standard Sample Measurement to obtain the color values. Sample Measurement to compare color differences. Place the second sample into the test port and click Sample Measurement to obtain the color difference, pass-fail results, and color deviation. Report Export. You can first set the report content by selecting Settings, Print Settings, where you can edit information such as company name, report title, operator, etc. Print Report. Click Print to select different report types. The above is the operation video for the 50mm large aperture benchtop colorimeter. Thank you for watching.